Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about eyeglasses versus contact lenses. Before choosing one out of two, you need to know that both have pros and cons in terms of vision, ease of use and eye health. So let us talk first about the eyeglasses. Eyeglasses are of two types, single vision glasses and multifocal glasses. Eyeglasses are made up of glass and plastic. Nowadays, plastic lenses are more in trends because these lenses are lighter, thinner and more scratch resistant. Let us talk about some of the advantages of eyeglasses. You can easily take on and off your eyeglasses. Eyeglasses need little cleaning. You do not need to touch your eyes while wearing eyeglasses. Glasses are cheaper than contact lenses. You do not need to replace them very quickly. Another best thing of eyeglasses is that eyeglasses adjust the amount of sunlight entering in your eyes. If you have dry eyes problem or you have more sensitive eyes, then glasses are better options to use as they will not create any problems like contact lenses can do. Glasses offer some protection from environment factors such as wind and dust. Glasses are fashionable and they gives you a unique personality and style. There are various styles of eyeglasses in various price ranges. Now let us talk about some disadvantages of glasses. So eyeglasses sit about 12 mm, about a half inch from your eyes, so peripheral vision can be distorted. Another disadvantage is that when people start wearing glasses for the first time, they found difficulty in focusing on object and a blurry vision is faced. If you have a strong prescription, the edges of your lenses may be thicker and unappealing, or your eyeglasses might make your eyes appear unnaturally magnified or magnified. Eyeglasses can be affected by the element like dust and fog in the cold weather. Now we will talk about contact lenses. Contact lenses are directly worn on the cornea of eye. Contact lenses are categorized into two types. First one is soft contact lenses and second one is rigid gas permeable contact lenses. Contact lenses are made up of polymers. Now we will talk about some advantages of contact lenses. Contact lenses gives you freedom of not wearing anything on your face and you feel free. It will help you in social engagement like marriages and parties. You can participate in sports without fear of breaking your eyeglasses. Contact lenses provide a wider field of view and causing less vision distractions and obstructions. Contact lenses would not clash with what you are wearing. Contact lenses are not affected by the weather conditions and would not fog up in cold weather. You can change color of your eyes through various colored contact lenses. After wearing contact lenses, you can wear various style sunglasses. Now we will talk about some disadvantages of contact lenses. So some people have trouble in applying contact lenses in starting. Means you have to learn the techniques to wear contact lenses comfortably. Another disadvantages of contact lenses is that contact lenses reduce amount of oxygen reaching into your eyes and can cause dry eye syndrome. Contact requires proper lens care and lens case cleaning each day to avoid serious eye infections. If you accidentally fall asleep while wearing contact lenses, then your eyes will turn into dry, gritty and irritated when you wake up. Now we will discuss how to finalize your decision. As I explained all the pros and cons of contact lenses as well as eyeglasses. So choice is yours and it depends on your lifestyle and preferences. Your eye comfort should be your preferences before choosing eyeglasses or contact lenses. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Stay connected. Bye bye. See you in the next video.